What's up guys, Kevin with Auto Design, and today we're going to be installing the NIA rears on this brand new Lexus ES. With the purchase of the NIA rears, you're going to receive some clips and some support screws. For this installation, you're going to need a 10mm socket, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a clip remover, or you can use a flathead screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for installation. One of the advantages of buying a NIA rear spat is that you have a lot of different options. One is you can actually get it painted to the color of your car, or you can get it in black or even F-Sport gray, which is the color of your front grille. Another advantage is that all the holes are already pre-drilled for you, and all the factory clips are provided to you for a nice easy installation. And the material is a perfect material for this. Being out of ABS plastic, it can take the heat around the exhaust. Unlike urethane, will start warping with the heat of the sun. Imagine the heat of the exhaust. And it's not like fragile fiberglass. This thing right here will last you a lifetime. First things first, you want to wipe down the bottom of the bumper, get rid of any rocks or debris that you might have underneath. So with the clip remover, remove the 3 clips that are underneath. And that's just basically popping the center out. And it'll come off just like that. So towards the end, there's 2 10mm bolts. Use your 10mm socket and just remove them. So now, using the clips provided to you, we're going to clip these on the factory holes from where you just removed the old clips from. And that is fairly simple. Just basically introduce the piece to the car, make sure the hole is, and everything's aligned perfectly. Just clip one on. Do the same thing for the second hole. So now we're going to reinstall the 10mm bolts to the same hole. This time you're going to use the pre-drilled hole on the splat to hold it up. Leave them loosely. Lastly, we're going to install the support screw through the pre-drilled hole and just self-tap into the bumper. And make sure you only do it halfway. All right, now we can tighten the factory screws and just use your 10mm bolts. The support screw, you make sure you only do it halfway with the drill to avoid over-tightening and stripping the bumper. This is when we come back with the stubby Phillips screwdriver and hand tighten it to avoid that problem. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus ES. Thanks again.